Welcome. You're from? Speak up louder, please.
Nushera.
Noshera. वो चपाते बोले कि हाँ पक्की तो कोई दे. Okana. And you?
Punjab.
You're
Faisalabad.
from Faisalabad. He is my uncle. He is my from neighbor country. And this gentleman, they are working. Where are you working right now?
Smart city.
Smart City. You are buying and selling land.
Yeah,
Plots,
no, we are not,
bungalows,
buying
apartments?
Land, just plots.
Okay. Would you like to uncover your business? Easy or
No, I
yeah?
won't.
How can?
It's a Corona season.
We are not spy. We are not spy. Come. Stand up
If you are
here.
spy, then you are my hero.
बस the मंजिल टोल यो दे और सफर जुदा जुदा. हाँ? खुश हो यार.
बिल्कुल.
खुश हो?
Of course.
थोड़ा पश्तो भी हो जाए यार. हमारा ग्रुप में पश्तो
If
भी
you are
है.
a spy, then you are my hero.
So speak up in पश्तो please.
क्या बोल?
पश्तो में बोले ना ये वाला जो मैंने अभी आपने बोला.
हाँ, कितना इंटेलिजेंस वाला.
No, just anything in पश्तो please. Anything.
Okay. कितना spy, कितना जमुंगा hero का नहीं.
बस यखनी डालो बुटान पक हो गया.
यखनी डालो बुटान पर.
बुटान पक हो गया वो पसेजम. Thank you very much.
Okay.
नाम sorry.
Naveed Shah.
Naveed Shah, thank you very much. बहुत शुक्रिया, thank you very much.
Okay, sir.
आपको शुक्रिया पूरे बार. And how much you are paying the rent there?
20.
They are my neighbors. They are just working for the build. They are all builders anyway. You are the builder.
No, I'm not the builder. I'm just working here.
Okay, no problem. Rabbana Kareem, thank you very much. Love you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, all the best. Thank you.
Thank you.
शाह जी बहुत शुक्रिया आपका. आप कभी आए इंशाल्लाह. ताज़मा कोड या तासुअखल कोड दे यारा. वो तासुअखल दुकान दे. इंशाल्लाह.
Okay, thank you.
ये मेरा घर है, ये मेरी दुकान है, ये मेरा घर है साथ में. कभी आप जरूर आएं. Thank you very much. You see now they are moving back. They are mashallah working here for the real estate and everything. They are selling lands and buying in my neighborhood. I'm sorry, I'm not yet fresh, but I'm still trying to rate the people. Bye bye. Ciao. This is called communication. Oh, see?